Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to complete this basic 3 challenge of this hack this site website. So let's get started. So in the previous video, we have completed this much basic 1 and basic 2 challenge. Now we're gonna do this. So just open here. So we have to know the HTML basic knowledge. So here we have level 3. This time network security Sam remembered to upload the password file. So here the Sam uploaded the password file, but there were deeper problems than that. So here we have a conceptual part. So we have to know that it uploaded in the password file. So here we have a file. Let's go to our page source and let's see the file name. Let's control G to search and then write password over here. So here we have 5 matches. So here this paragraph, then a password br line. So here we have input type password value hidden it is file name, and this is password.php. So here we have a file name. So just copy over here. So do nothing, just go over here and go to this address and then paste over here a file name. So after basic 3 slash this and then enter over here. So here we can see that here it is a password hidden over here. So just copy and then go back and then paste over here simply. So let's see. Congratulations, you have successfully completed basic third language. So guys, thank you guys for watching my video. Please give thumbs up, do comment me in a comment box and tell me how it is. So in the next video I will show you how to do it the basic 4th challenge. So stay tuned. It's Ahmad signing off.